So yes, today's video is all about hair, and I love long hair. So to maintain them, there's some tips and tricks that everybody should know, and I should also learn because I love long hair but I don't maintain them properly. So they're like very ruined from the bottoms, from the ends. So yes, I also need to learn these things, but I want to share these with you. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay, so the first one is washing too much. Okay, do not wash your hair a lot, like daily. Washing hair on a daily basis harms your hair, harms your scalp and everything. It makes your hair rough because shampoo is supposed to clean your scalp, and I think it gets oily and it gets dirty in I think 2 to 3 days. Everybody's is different, everybody's hair are different, but still washing on a daily basis is harmful to your hair, harmful for you, and it's not good. So do not wash your hair daily because it will make your hair rough. So yes, do not do that. Okay, so the second one is very common, and the second one is using too much products. Okay, so I personally don't use any harmful products on my hair, like hairsprays or dry shampoos. I have never ever used dry shampoos. Yes, I have had hairspray on my hair because on wedding functions and all that, you get ready from outside, you get your hair done from salons, and obviously they spray your hairspray so that your hair are set. But occasionally it's different, but if you do it on a daily basis, it's very harmful for your hair. So do not do that. Do not use dry shampoos. Just wash your hair. Do not dry shampoo it because it's really harmful. It's all chemicals and it's really harmful. So do not use dry shampoo, and do not use hairspray on a daily basis. Like occasionally, once or twice a year, thrice a year is okay, but don't do it oftenly. Instead, you should try applying serum, because serum makes your hair look very soft and very nice. It gives a glossy look and a very nice look. So you can try serum. I have recently, a while back, I started using serum every time I used to wash my hair. But then I don't know, I just got rid of that habit. Those serums are good for hair. It makes it healthy, but I don't know, I just got rid of that habit somehow. So I just use it occasionally now, and I feel that's okay. I feel that's okay because I don't use any harmful products on my hair. I don't heat them. I don't do anything bad to my hair. I do a thing, but I'll tell you when the time comes. So yes, but I don't heat a lot. I don't do those sprays and all that on my hair. So yes, I don't avoid serum, but I apply it very less. Yeah. Okay, so the third one is not using treatments. Okay, so masks, hair masks that are really good for your hair. I've heard some really good reviews of hair masks. My sister, my friend, they told me that hair masks are really good. They make your hair look really soft and they make it healthy. But I am a very lazy person in that way. Even washing my hair is like a task for me. So putting on mask and waiting for so much time and all that stuff is I don't know the word for it, but it's really a struggle. And yes, so I don't do any of those. I know I should. My hair are really long. My hair are really long, and I have to keep them healthy. But yes, I don't put on any mask or anything. But yes, the second thing is keratin. Keratin treatments are really good for your hair. They apply some really good products on your hair, and yes, keratin, I've got done keratin once 2 years back. Yes, exactly 2 years back I got keratin done, and it stayed for a while. It stayed for a long time, I think a year. I used the shampoo they recommended after, you know, keratin, the keratin kind shampoo, and yes, I used that for, I don't know, 6 to 7 months I think, and no, more than that I think. Yeah, so yeah, it made my hair you know, beautiful. And yes, I had to care less about my hair when the keratin was in my hair, but now it just, you know, obviously it's been 2 years. So yes, I'm going to get keratin done in 2 to 3 days, and when this video will go up, probably I've already done that, or maybe I'll go get them done, because yes, my birthday week has started and I'm going to get keratin done. I was waiting from 2 to 3 months that I have to get keratin done, but I'll get it on my birthday only. So yes, I was waiting, and finally my birthday is here, so I'm getting keratin done this weekend. And yes, so yes, keratin is really good for your hair. If you haven't done anything, so do. And if you haven't done anything, like any treatments, or if you haven't tried, then you should definitely try keratin. I mean, you can. And yes, keratin products are really good for your hair. They make your hair look healthy. But there's one point that is you know, kind of a, you know, negative one, that it makes your hair oily very quickly. Like, I don't wash my hair in winters, I don't wash my hair more than twice in a week, and yes, but in summers I wash them 3 times I think. And but it makes your hair oily very quickly, so I'll have to wash it oftenly. Obviously I'll not wash them daily, इतना oily नहीं होता, but yes, थोड़ा सा होता है कि थोड़ा जल्दी oily हो जाते हैं, so you have to wash it a little more oftenly. So yeah, that's one negative point, that you have to wash your hair more oftenly. They get oily really quickly, but yes, keratin makes your hair look very nice. They make your hair healthy. So yes, and one plus point is that they make your hair straight. Okay, so when I was like in school, till school I think I had my hair straight. My hair was straight. I didn't need any treatment. My hair was so healthy. My hair was so nice. But I don't know why, what got into my head. I started heating my hair so much. I used to, you know, whenever I used to go out, I used to just, you know, straighten my hair with the straightening iron, and I got, you know, I heated my hair so much. Like, I don't know, countless times I heated my hair, and after that my hair got so frizzy. As you can see, this so frizzy. My hair got so frizzy, and I am struggling it till now. And I suggest that do not heat your hair. That point will come, but yes, do not. Okay, so I used to heat my hair so much, and see, they have gotten so frizzy, and I don't know how to maintain them anymore. I'm just getting keratin done, and I don't think I'm going to get my hair colored in a long time. I got them colored. I got a global hair color 2 years back, and I don't know if I'm going to get them done anytime soon, because जहाँ से कलर हो शुरू हो रहा है मेरे हेयर में, वहाँ से मेरे बाल बहुत खराब है. The new hair that are growing up are okay, because they're like pure, they haven't been heated, they haven't been done anything. I don't straighten my hair anymore, I don't curl my hair, I don't heat my hair in any sort, I don't blow dry them. It's very rare that I do something with my hair. And yes, now that I'm going to get a keratin done and a slight haircut, my hair, they are going to blow dry my hair, and my hair are going to be heated that day. So yes, but that's like twice in a year kind of thing. And yes, I really hate heating my hair now. I used to love it when I used to straighten my hair. You know, I had those fleeks at the moment, you know, after school. And yes, I used to think that I'll just straighten this up, I'll just straighten this area. And when I used to do that, it looked so nice that I was like, बाकी भी कर ही लेती हूँ. And वो करते करते सब खराब हो गया. My hair got ruined, and my hair started falling a lot. I am still facing the hair fall. I don't know the reason of the hair fall exactly, but I don't know. Maybe it's because of the heating of the hair or something. But now, yes, now I use a heat protectant also. If I have to heat my hair, if I have to go somewhere, then I definitely use heat protectant in my hair. Earlier there was no heat protectant, and obviously I didn't use any, so शायद उस वजह से ज़्यादा ख़राब हो गए. But now I use heat protectant and I heat my hair very 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 rarely. So yes, get treatments done in your hair, like masks and keratin treatments. And if you know any other treatments, I am not really aware of other treatments. So if there are any other treatments that you know and that are helpful, then you should definitely go for that. But yes. Okay, so the next one is being too rough. Okay, so our hair are very delicate, and whenever you wash your hair, whenever you comb your hair, be very gentle while washing. Use your fingers, not your fingertips, because you don't want to scratch your scalp, because after all it's a skin, right? So, and do not scratch it, be very gentle. And yes, when you're brushing your hair, when you're combing your hair, just start from the bottom very slowly, very lightly, and be very very gentle while combing your hair, and that way your hair will fall less. Yeah. Okay, so the next one is using too much heat. Yeah, that was me. I used to heat a lot and my hair got ruined. We've already talked about that. But yes, I would suggest that do not heat your hair a lot. And if you do, use heat protectant, and please try not to heat other. I also heat my hair, but on occasion. Last I heated my hair was it was my cousin's roka. If you know, I had videos on my Instagram as well. And yes, so when I got ready for her roka, I got my hair pressed. I straightened my hair, and yes, I definitely used heat protectant. And yeah, so definitely, if you're heating, use heat protectant and do not heat too much, because it's very unhealthy for your hair. It's very unhealthy for your hair, trust me. I have experienced it, so, and I don't want anybody to experience it, because yeah, it's very bad. Okay, so the next and the last one is keeping dead ends, and that's again me. I love having long hair, and I know it's such a beautiful thing to have long hair, but can you see? Can you see? They are so like bad. They've gotten so bad. I really need a haircut. I'm going to get one, but I'm not getting them very short. I'll just get itna sa haircut, because I don't have the heart to get them too much short, too short. I don't have the heart to get them too short. So yes, I'll get a very small haircut, but I'm getting a haircut. And yeah, you should get haircuts. Do not keep the dead ends, because it goes and goes upwards. If you keep the split ends, they go on upwards, and it will ruin your whole hair, and so it will lead to bigger problems. So do get regular haircuts, and I'll try to do that too. So I've heard that you should get haircuts every 3 months. I'll also try to do that, and you also try to do that. So yes, and so that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these things were helpful, and I hope I'll follow them too. So yes, thank you so much for watching. You know the drill. Like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And do follow me on my Instagram. I post some really different content over there, so go and follow. And yeah, bye.